Hey girl, hey, your favorite shopaholic is back and I'm here to share some new hair. This is from Domiso and this is a V-part wig and it did come with a couple little goodies, some lashes and a wig cap. I didn't actually use the wig cap though, so for this V-part I didn't want to do that. So here's the wig. It comes with an elastic band. It comes with a comb in the back. Obviously, it also has two combs in the front as well. Now, with this V part, it does have a wire inside that positions the hair down onto your head. So there is like a firm wire where the parting space is. This is their kinky curly hair and it's absolutely a gorgeous curl pattern. It's the kind of curl pattern that really matches like black girl hair texture. It's just a beautiful hair type. And so yeah, I was excited to get into this. I just washed my hair, blew it out, flat ironed it and just braided it down. My hair is natural. So I just braided it into two braids and this is the hair after it's been washed and conditioned and air dried. So that's what the curl release is going to look like. Now I just positioned the wig against my middle part and just clipped it down. And like I said, this is the hair with the curls very much so defined. I grabbed a crochet needle because I didn't want to leave any of my own leave out. I just wanted to use the wig. So I just grabbed a little piece of hair, put it through my own hair and the crochet hook just to disguise the edge of the V-part wig and to make the edge of the wig not look so harsh so you can't really see that line of demarcation. So again, I just hooked the crochet hook under my hair, grabbed a small piece of the wig, the hair on the wig, and just put it through and did that on both sides of the part. So yeah, this is what it looks like with one side done and the other side not done. So you can see it's a huge difference. It looks so good and so seamless. It doesn't even look like a wig at this point. It looks like the hair is just growing out of my scalp. And so this is a great way to get that natural curly girl look without any leave out. You know, a lot of times we get a little concerned with like trying to blend our leave out. You do not have to do that with this method. And this is what it's given with both sides of the parting space done. Now it's time to trim the hair and give it some shape. I had already defined the curls, but then I realized, you know, I really want to shape this wig into some face framing layers as well as some layers through the back. So I kind of just started cutting and it really messed up the curls that I had defined. But I really like this undefined look as well, especially after the haircut was done. So you guys let me know, like, do you like the hair super defined or do you like the hair just kind of like doing its own thing? And if you have questions about my hair cutting and how I cut curly wigs, definitely leave it in the comments down below. Or I could do a whole tutorial just on curly wig haircuts because I think this is where people get a little confused or just unsure. You either get too scissor happy or not scissor happy enough and it doesn't give the shape that you're looking for. But if you like this shape and you do want a haircutting tutorial, leave it in the comments down below because I can definitely do this. This is the shape that I always tend to do. Short face framing layers in the front and then layers all throughout. So this is the difference of with it cut on one side and not on the other. It makes a big difference. And this is both sides cut, curls undefined. I really love how it looks this way, but you know, that's not the YouTube, you know, this is not how the girlies want to see the hair. They want to see the hair defined. And I feel like the companies want to see the hair defined as well. Like if you give a company a video with your hair looking like this, they're gonna be like, girl. So up next is how I define the curls. So I use Kristen S and I also use GLEEmade Styling Mousse and obviously just a bottle of water. Wet the hair down, mousse it down, and condition it down. The conditioner I use is from Kristen S. All this stuff is available on Amazon and I will leave those links down below. I'll also leave links to this hair. This hair is gorgeous. It defines beautifully and it just does so well in any condition, like wet, dry, air dried. you know, the curls defined, not defined. I think this is a very, very versatile wig, especially with you not having to leave any leave out, and it still looks so natural. There's no lace involved. There's no laying of lace. So it's just a very beginner friendly, easy, natural curly girl look for the girls who don't want to deal with leave out and the girls who don't know how to deal with lace. Grab yourself a dimming brush to get that nice, really defined look and get those curls like clumped together, and it just makes those curls look so juicy. Look how juicy those curls look. Oh my gosh, I could look at that all day. So yeah, just grab you a dimming brush. If you have questions, the one that I use is from Amazon. I'll leave a link to it down below. I've been using it for years, and it's the best dimming brush to activate curls. Look at that. Fabulous, darling. I went ahead and added my OGX weightless oil spray. It's just a really lightweight oil mist, and it just gives your hair a beautiful shine. And I let the hair air dry, and this is what it's giving. Like, I decided to put on a pretty pink lip, a tropical top, and some really beautiful eye-catching earrings. It's giving tropical princess. Like, take me to the Caribbean right now, because that's where I need to be, on somebody's beach and somebody's island, okay? I love this hair. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is the hair well defined. You've seen it not defined. It's versatile both ways. If you love this hair as much as me, click the link down below to check it out. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks so much. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.